Hello, and welcome to another update video on HBAR. Yeah, I covered HBAR yesterday. And the price has obviously rallied quite strongly. We had like a 20% move overnight. So I think it's worth covering HBAR again, especially now that HBAR, gives us a bit of a pullback there or shows a bit of a pullback. Okay, so the question is, what's going on here with HBAR? And I only want to take a look at the shorter time frame because I did cover the bigger picture in the last video. It's important to understand, first of all, what is our support area. Now, the support area suggests that the price could at any point now reach the zone between 21.8 cents and 18.8 cents. So this is standard support, the 50% retracement to the 23.6 retracement for a wave 4. And as long as we're holding this zone, we could get at least, I would say, one more high, or at least, let's rather say, we can expect upside trend continuation. Obviously, the pullback from the intraday high is quite sharp. So let's zoom in a bit. It's quite sharp. It could be potentially the A wave now of this wave 4 that's playing out here. Now, I think first of all, it's always good to get a bit of an orientation of what's going on. How wide or long or substantial was this wave 2? Because this would be the same wave degree. And the wave 2 and the wave 4, they tend to have the same duration. Not always, it's more of a guide. And well, the wave 2 lasted a couple of days, 2 to 3 days. So the wave 4 could also last maybe 2 to 3 days. But for now, I think it's worth considering that this here might be the A wave down, because an A wave can be an impulse. If we then start to see a bounce, it might be the B wave, and it should hold below the intraday high, which formed at 25.1 cents. And then once we have the B wave complete, we can calculate a target for wave C. Very often, you would see a wave 4 reach the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement. So what I'm tracking here at the moment is therefore a support area for this pullback. As long as the pullback is a 3-wave move, that means corrective in nature, we are going to watch for higher prices. And that would be at least one more high that can reach the 28 cent level. But I will continue to adjust support levels along the way so we can continue to focus on higher prices. Not saying we might only see one more high, but I can tell you that with one more high, in my opinion, we have a 5-wave move up complete. That could be 5 waves in wave C in white or 5 waves in wave 1 in blue. And that means either way, a pullback would be due afterwards. I'll keep you updated about that. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. I also invite you to join us on X. I'm going to post a link to our X profile in the video description and in the comment section. Here you can find additional updates for many coins and charts that we don't cover on YouTube. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.